where are we? What are we doing?
We're at the gas station. I have just put gas in for the first time ever in a motorcycle. And it
In a very
happens
old
to be
motorcycle.
Jared's dad's bike. I just gassed up, filled it.
Gassed up.
Gassed it up.
What year is it? Come on.
66.
Yeah.
Yes.
And what construction is it?
What do you mean, what construction is it?
Or what is it? What engine is it?
It's a unit. I'm remembering,
And why is it unit?
because it's after 63.
Yes! So we are out on the 66 Bonneville and we are heading to rescue somebody, aren't we? So where are we heading?
We're going to rescue Jack.
Yeah.
Yes, Jack. I've met
Bueller.
so many new people, like I am struggling with names. Faces, fine. Names,
Yeah.
not so much.
So Jack has I think it's a 60. Oh, actually, I don't know what it is. That might be 66. It's a unit construction bar come chopper that he's been building for years. Jared's just built the engine, but he's got some electrical issues. So Emily currently has a rucksack on with the battery in to hopefully get him back on the road. So, in true style, we're supposed to be on Jared's birthday ride, but instead we're rescuing a British bike first.
Yep.
Sounds familiar, doesn't it? So I come all the way to America on holiday, and then why are we at the side of this road?
Because your British bullcrap bikes break down.
Ah, I see.
Actually, I love it.
I have one question for you. Who's the last guy to work on this?
Technically me.
Oh.
Hey, Jack. Stand next to
Mr. Weems,
Yes, sir.
how's your birthday ride going?
Wonderful. What did we say before on the other video? There's nothing more I enjoy than working on motorcycles, more than riding them.
Yeah.
And so now we're working on them rather than riding them.
Jack is just delivering for you.
That's it. He was fulfilling my birthday wish.
Yeah. Engine looks great then.
The engine, yeah, it rides terrific.
Flathead.
You are what, Jack?
We're ready for
Oh, I feel so bad for Jack.
Me too. It sucks. It was weird watching you and Jared work together because there was moments where you both wanted the same tools and you were both trying to be a little polite of each other.
Felt like I was Jared's sous chef. So we are back out on it.
We are, take two.
We've done a switcheroo. Jeremiah's picked up his diner. He's headed to the hitching post. Is that what he called it?
Yep, something like that.
And Jack's on the judge. And we're still on Weems' dad's bike. But we're finally heading out to the meeting point to start the ride we were going on this morning. So let's get down there and see if anybody is still waiting for us. What do you reckon?
I think they might be. We've been keeping them updated and people are patient and kind.
Yeah. Feel bad for Jack.
I really do. It sucks.
I hope it's something really, really simple because he just told me he's sunk $3,000 into that build.
Ah.
I don't think it's a mechanical thing. Even if you spun a cam bearing, it isn't going to be ludicrous, especially with Jared looking after it. But I don't know why it would do that.
Yeah, it was making an unusual noise, but
the main thing I think is electrical. I think the one thing that wasn't replaced was the rectifier. So hopefully, if the rectifier's dead, it hasn't cooked the stator. Potentially, if it's shorting out, it'll look like Ren's one did.
ah, okay.
And then that'll be another expense, but shouldn't be beyond the realms of man.
Nothing's beyond the realms of Weems.
Oh, absolutely not. And the rest is going well. But yeah, so let's get through some of this Florida traffic, I say, and see who's at the hitching post.
The meat? Yeah.
Sound good?
Yeah, excellent plan. We're nearly done. It's been excellent. I've really enjoyed this.
Good. Hopefully the people watching have enjoyed it as well.
Yeah, something very different.
Yeah.
Like, who knew that Florida wasn't full of straight roads completely, and it does have some roundabouts and left and right turns.
Yeah.
Right roads, that was perfect. Not too bad for
Oh dear.
not too bad for
Where's Dremley?
I'm assuming Dremley is probably on the back of a motorcycle.
Dremley is over there, but Dremley is doing very Dremley things. She wanted a ring to hold. I ring the house.
Okay.
Hello. How do I join in?
How do I want to be a part? You're asking me to hit my motorcycle. Good, yeah, man.
What are you doing?
Oh, well, yeah.
Good morning.
We made it.
We are in a tiny house
We are. We
at the campout.
we rode over from Jared's last night. We got here, then we got talking to loads of people. Reintroduced to a load of people.
Yeah.
And then completely forgot to get any cameras out. So, David and Cindy, in the midst of all the damage that has happened at their property from Milton and all the trees that have come down, there's so much damage, it's unbelievable. The place is completely different, isn't it? But they still took the time to put this together and sort us a fresh bed out so we didn't have to camp, which is
We are very
remarkable.
grateful. Yeah. Very grateful. Can I show people my gift from Jerry?
You can.
Jerry got me a gift? Or as a gift?
It was you, wasn't it?
And last night I was
you back?
making a lot of noise.
Everybody needs more cowbell.
Everybody needs more cowbell.